What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I have bad news. My car, something's wrong with it. Right now I'm getting turbo surge and really loud pops on decel, which, you know, sounds awesome, but it's obviously not good for the car if it's not supposed to be doing that. So today we'll be finding out what's causing that problem. Hopefully it's something simple. And yeah, so got a new mic. So we're gonna try and get those sounds on camera so you guys can hear what it sounds like and whatnot. And with that being said, let's get started. Supposed to do that, and basically I'm assuming that I have a stuck wastegate. So my plan is to oil it up, maybe it'll start working, and if not, check some lines, and then hopefully we have a working car. So yeah, so that's what my car is doing. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm gonna try and get in it a little so you can maybe hear it. It sounds awesome, but it's not supposed to sound like that. So there hasn't been any decel pops either. Maybe that's I'm gonna try and stick the mic out the window. Let's see if it works like that. I don't know. This cord's not very long. Basically, the first thing I'm gonna do is take off the flow valve, take it apart, see if it's seized. If it's not seized, then we're gonna have to start checking vacuum lines and loose lines and all that good stuff. And then after that, I'm not entirely sure. Just gotta figure it out. Alright, so for the video, the audio wasn't on. Thank you, new mic. So basically, I just cut this. As you've seen, it was tearing. And I just cut it on both ends to where it's not tearing, to hold for now until I get a new one. And then, since I'm already here, I'm gonna take off the blow-off valve and oil it. So, let me do that. Alright, so that's off. And let's go oil this thing up. Alright, so we got the blow valve, so let's take it apart. got a little oil in there. So there's not much oil right here, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of oil. And now we just put it all back together and then throw it on the car and we should be done. Hopefully that problem is fixed. Slap it on, apply a little pressure. Get those threads started. Alright, let's just wipe it off and then throw it back on the car. Alright, so we cut off the cracked part of the hose, plugged it back up, got the blow-off valve, diverter valve oiled. All we gotta do is slap it on, test drive it, and hopefully it works and we fix the problem. So let's get to it. Alright, so everything's on. Let's go see if my car works right. No surge so far, but I didn't really get into the boost yet. We'll let the car warm up a little bit more. Just go around the block. Oh, we got a normal Evo again. Let's go. So glad that wasn't a big problem. So it was just the line was cracked, and that's it. So of course I'm happy. So there's no big problems I have to worry about, and yeah. Alright, so now the car is warmed up. We can actually get into the boost. Oh, you heard that? Oh yeah. Normal car again, with all the sexy sounds and all that good stuff. So I'm excited. It worked. It was just cracked holes that had popped off, and also oiled up the diverter valve, so we don't have to worry about that seizing anytime soon. And I believe that's a video. I believe that is a video. So as always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to follow